have you? Over there. Okay, everyone. You know what? I think the Eagle Ranger has found me instead. Now joining us today, everyone, this is Loie, our African blue parrot. So first thing, Loie, would you like to wave hello? Ready? There you go. A nice big wave to welcome everyone over here to River Wonders. Thank you, Loie. Now you see, Loie over here, this is an African grey parrot, and they are named so because of the region they can be found. It is an African species parrot. In fact, one of the largest along the area as well. Now apart from that, they are famous for the very beautiful grey feathers as you can see. Now Loie, he is doing his usual happy dance. Apart from grey, what other color can you spot? Red, that is right. You do have a very beautiful red tail. Thank you, Loie. Now you see everyone, like all of us know, okay, parrots over here, they are going to be a loud and talkative creature, very noisy as well. So why not? Let's put it to the test, okay? Let's see what can Loie say. Alright, Loie, to help you out, why not we start off with a nice big hello. Say hello. Say hello. Hello. There you go, everyone. A nice big hello to welcome everyone over here to River Wonders. Thank you, Loie. Now, of course, hello is not the only word we have left. Okay, this animal, they are very smart. They can memorize up to about 1,000 words or even vocabulary as well. Hey, Loie! Loie! Excuse me, you're not done, come back. Loie, you haven't said goodbye to everyone over here, come on. Okay, Loie, you know what? Everyone over here, they seem really nice. Before you go out, would you like to say thank you? Say thank you. Loie, say thank you. Thank you. There you go, finally. Alright, everyone, why don't we send Loie off by saying bye-bye, Loie? Loie, I can say bye-bye. Bye-bye. There you go, everyone. Once again, let's give Loie a big round of applause. Our African grey parrot. Thank you, Loie. Well, of course, in the meantime, let me share with you a bit more about this animal, okay? You see, in Singapore, you can keep them as a companion.